Well, whatever the commission was, 5% or less. You're cut out of that.
Yes.
They were no longer willing to pay you. To whom did this commission go? To Attorney Reyes or to Janet Napoles or somewhere else?
When it was no longer me,
Right.
I don't know. Maybe it went all to her, probably. I don't know. Because when I asked Mrs. Napolos,
ano?
kung tinanong ko siya kung nagdi-direct sila,
Oo.
hindi man niya inamin.
Yeah. Money so Quicksilver. In the same vein, you said in your affidavit, page 7, in answer to question number 29, quote, do you have any information if the aforesaid 37 million PDAF still continued or pushed through? You answered that certain Matranillo delivered 11.970 million to Tatantoco, who, like you, lives in Dasmariñas village. In your affidavit, in answer to question number 37, you answered, quote, Estrada appeared to have directly dealt with Janet Napoles because money intended for delivery to him were since then received by Secretary Miss Pauline Labayan and no longer me. Question, does this mean that, like the case of the Napoles-Reyes transaction, you were similarly cut out of the deal because Ranillo and Labayan took your place? Ganon din.
The information that it was maternal and all that, it's when I saw, when we received the subpoena, meron kaming kopya ng affidavit ni Ben-Hur. Nakalagay naman doon, they delivered money received by Pauline Labayan in a house in Mahogany Street.
So, delikado palang hanap buhay na magiging middlewoman ka. Kasi itong dalawang parties na ito, kung minsan, they decide to cut you out, no? Sila na lang dalawa.
Ganon si Mrs. Napoles, when she can just take out the middle person, diretso na siya.
Ah. Ngayon, I know you already answered this question, no? You are able to gain entrance carrying money to the office of Senator Estrada because he would send his driver and his security guard so that you could avail of the extraordinary privilege given only and exclusively to senators to pass by the side entrance where you are not subjected to search, no? Yes, that was taken up earlier. And I just want to know about the manner in which you carry the money. You said you carry it in bags. What do you mean, a handbag, a plastic bag, or a paper
Depends
bag?
on the amount, ma'am. It could be a small duffel bag or
A duffel bag.
duffel bag, or one time it was a hand carry bag.
So, walang kwenta itong aming gwardiya dito. Dahil kung ipa-escort pala namin, baka bombang laman yun, dire-diretso. Magiging kanon yun, no? That's food for thought. Ngayon, alam mo na pera yon. Did anyone ever try, notwithstanding that you were using the exclusive side entrance reserved only for senators, did anyone ever try to open your bag that carried the money?
No, ma'am. The only time they open bags, and they don't really open, is when you go to the main entrance. I have that X-ray machine, that metal detector, doon. But they don't really open because your bag passes through an X-ray.
Yes. But here you are using the senator's entrance.
No,
And
nobody ever bothered.
nobody ever bothered. Mr. Chair, at this point, may I please request this committee to investigate who is the security agency that is under contract with the Senate. These people are not doing their job. One last question about just this point. According to Senator Estrada, you are not carrying money to him, but pansit. Bakit pansit bang favorite food niya?
I bring him sandwiches, actually, assorted sandwiches. Sometimes he calls me, dala ka naman merienda, and I would, no? But when I would bring food, I always pass to the main. I don't need to pass to the side.
All right.
Kasi hindi naman problema yun eh.
And of course, you're highly educated. Where did you graduate elementary?
From kinder to college, I went to St. Paul's, Manila.
St. Paul's. What did you finish in college?
I didn't finish. I reached up to third year college.
But you were taking?
First, I was trying to finish engineering in another school. And then I went back to St. Paul's for commerce.
All right. At least you're college educated, isn't that so? So we can safely presume that a college educated person with all her 5 senses working at optimum will know the difference between money or peso bills and pansit. Isn't that so?
Yes, ma'am.
O, wala tayong problema doon, ano? Ngayon, ito na lang. Tapusin ko na ito. Bago kayo umalis para sa Amerika, may alitan ba kayo ni Senator Enrile or separately kay Senator Estrada? Nagkagalit ba kayo dahil dati kayong magkasama sa transaksyon? Meron ba kayong hindi
I did not get upset or anything that I was cut out of the deal. It was fine
Right.
with me.
So, wala kang rason na gantihan mo sila dahil
Wala.
wala ka namang galit sa kanila.
Wala.
Ngayon, sinabi ni Senator Estrada, galit ka raw sa kanya dahil nagingi ka ng pera at hindi kanya binigyan.
That's not true.
What is the truth?
The truth is, he called me.
He called you.
Yes, he called me. And then, yes, I asked him, anong may tutulong mo sa akin?
Right.
I just wanted to see what
Which
his
is only
answer.
natural.
Yeah. Sabi niya, wala.
Wala siyang maitulong.
Wala daw siya may tutulong. So, medyo shocked ako. In fact, tapos tumawag pa siya.
So,
ulit.
in effect, he left you hanging in the wind.
Yes,
Your
I would
hand.
say that.
Right. So, on your part, you harbored no ill feelings when you decided, you harbored no ill feelings against Senator Enrile, Senator Estrada, notwithstanding that they cut you out of their respective deals, until after you decided to become a state witness, no?
Yeah, ma'am, matagal na, ilang taon na din kami na walang transaction. But I was still close to them. It didn't really upset me or anything like that. Because they've always denied it anyway. Even if I already knew, they never admitted to me that they were already transacting directly.
Oh. So, it is the modus operandi of these personalities that even if you have stared reality in the face, if you come back to them and confront them with it, they'll just stonewall it. Pakapalan na lang ng mukha. Ganon ho ba yun?
Well,
Pwede nating masabing ganon.
yes, ma'am.
Ayun. Stonewalling, ha? Ngayon, last question. One of the news items said that when you came to Manila from San Francisco, he had the impression, in my own words, that you're a classy woman, which is my own impression. You have class. And that you traveled on business class. Who paid for your business
I
class?
did.
You did.
They did pay for my fare. I had to pay for my fare.
Kaya ganun ka klaseng tao na kaya mo bumili ng business class ticket.
Yes, ma'am.
At hindi mo kailangan na mag-imbento ng kung ano pang salita tungkol sa tao kung hindi rin lang totoo dahil may sarili kang kaya mo eh.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. I think you have helped me considerably in our search for the truth. Thank you, Senator Gingona.
Thank you, Senator Santiago. Okay. The next senator is Senator Bam Aquino. Senator Aquino.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. I just want to finish my line of questioning. I wasn't able to ask Ms. Tuason some of my questions. Palagay ko po si Senator Gingona talked about the facts already. Senator Miriam talked about the legal side of matters already. So I just like